a great product that can solve transmission shuddering when idle. This shuddering occurs due to friction wear in the torque converter. The instant Shudder Fix quickly repairs and lubricates this friction, eliminating any noise and vibration. You'll notice the effects immediately after adding the product. The best part is that this fluid reduces transmission part wear by 4 times compared to conventional ATF fluid. It's perfect for most automatic transmissions. A little honesty here. The Minigun Exhaust won't protect your vehicle or make your life easier, but it will definitely make your ride a showstopper. With models available for both cars and motorcycles, this exhaust is all about having a little fun and turning heads. Cleaning the inside of your car windows can often be a frustrating challenge. However, this microfiber car window cleaning tool makes the process effortless. Equipped with 2 washable and reusable cloth pad heads, an extendable handle, and a convenient spray bottle for auto glass cleaning, this gadget is designed for efficiency. Its sturdy aluminum handle extends, while the 180-degree pivoting triangular swivel head, crafted from high-quality plastic, ensures thorough cleaning. Additionally, the ergonomic handle provides easy access to hard-to-reach areas around the window bases. With this tool in hand, your windshield will look crystal clear once again. We all know road rage can get the best of us, but imagine a fun way to express yourself without the yelling. With the Flik, you can give humorous signals to other drivers with just a click. It's a light sign that replaces risky behaviors with some good old-fashioned laughter. For about $50, you can keep the peace and enjoy a safer, more pleasant driving experience. Who says you need a brand new car to enjoy Nifty Tech like a head-up display? With a simple installation kit, you can upgrade any vehicle to feature this cool gadget. It reflects important info like your current speed, fuel levels, and engine temperature right onto your windshield, helping you keep your eyes on the road. Plus, the A8 HUD has your back by alerting you to any potential issues, like check engine lights, so you're always in the know. Just a little heads up, make sure to check if it's compatible with your vehicle before diving in. We've all experienced those frustrating moments without a cell signal, especially when enjoying nature. This nifty signal booster connects to the farthest tower, enhancing coverage for multiple devices, all while supporting the latest 5G technology. Stay connected on your next camping trip for about $460. If you want to add a unique flair to your car, custom valve caps are the way to go. These bullet-shaped caps bring style while protecting your wheels from dirt and dust. And the best part? You can do it by yourself. All you need are 4 empty bullet shells and some hot glue to create your very own stylish caps. Transform your vehicle's appearance and aerodynamics with a universal LED rear spoiler kit. Measuring an impressive 50 inches wide, this spoiler isn't just about looks. It offers a striking aesthetic upgrade with a choice of 15 vibrant color options that can enhance any car style, from sleek and sporty to bold and flashy. The installation process is designed to be user-friendly, allowing car enthusiasts of all skill levels to effortlessly attach it to their ride without the need for professional help. Crafted from high-density waterproof material, this spoiler is built to endure various weather conditions, from torrential rain to scorching sun, ensuring that it retains its eye-catching shine while enhancing performance. It's essential, however, to verify compatibility with your specific make and model first, as this spoiler cannot be cut to size, ensuring a perfect fit that maintains the integrity and elegance of your vehicle's design. Are you constantly worried about your car keys getting wet? Fear not. The Keyfender waterproof housing keeps your keys safe and dry thanks to its sturdy polycarbonate design. With a handy looped keychain, you can easily attach it wherever you want. If you often find yourself in wet conditions, this is a must-have. If you're big on security, the Ring Car Cam is an exceptional addition to your tech arsenal. This innovative device features dual HD cameras that not only record but provide a live view of your vehicle's surroundings. Imagine the convenience of being able to monitor your car in real time, whether you're parked at home or in a busy parking lot. With the user-friendly Ring app, you can communicate with anyone inside your vehicle, making it a fantastic tool for ensuring the safety of your loved ones or even simply checking in on a pet left in the car. Equipped with advanced motion detection and night vision capabilities, the Ring Car Cam offers 24/7 surveillance, allowing you to feel secure even in low-light conditions. It sends instant alerts to your smartphone whenever it detects unusual activity, empowering you to respond quickly if needed. Whether you're an urban dweller navigating city streets or a suburban homeowner seeking added protection for your driveway, this COM presents a comprehensive solution to modern automotive security concerns, all for a reasonable investment of just $200. With the Ring Car Cam, you can take control of your car's safety like never before. Introducing a breakthrough in car sun protection. These remote-controlled sunshades are custom-made for your vehicle. They can be installed on all your windows, keeping your car cool and secure. Unfortunately, they haven't quite hit the shelves yet, but what a cool idea. We've all faced the heartbreak of scratching our beautiful wheels, an all-too-common dilemma for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Enter AlloyGator Rim Protectors. These little heroes are designed to absorb shocks from curbs, potholes, and debris that might otherwise mar the appearance of your prized wheels, ensuring that they remain in pristine condition. Not only do they offer robust protection, but they also act as a stylish accessory for your vehicle. Available in a wide array of colors, these rim protectors allow you to effortlessly customize your car's aesthetic from sleek and sporty to bold and vibrant, turning an ordinary car into a true reflection of your personal style. Priced at around $120 for a set of 4, investing in AlloyGator Rim Protectors not only spares your wheels from wear and tear, but also adds a touch of flair, making them an essential addition for any car owner looking to maintain their vehicle's beauty and integrity. Responsible driving is not just a precaution. It's a fundamental principle of road safety, particularly after enjoying a drink or two with friends or during a festive gathering. Understanding your blood alcohol concentration is essential to ensure you are capable of making sound judgments behind the wheel. With its easy-to-read display and intuitive interface, you'll have a reliable measurement at your fingertips, allowing you to make informed decisions before you hit the road. It's an excellent tool for social events, ensuring that you and your friends can celebrate responsibly without the worry of impaired driving. Just make sure to use it regularly to keep the sensors functioning optimally. Regular calibration and maintenance can extend the life of your device and ensure accuracy. Priced at around $100, the Bactrack Breathalyzer is a small investment for peace of mind, helping to keep you and others safe on the road. If you often find yourself stuck in challenging terrain, these handy anti-skid tire blocks are your new best friends. Unlike bulky chains, they're lightweight and compact, so they fit easily in your car. Plus, they're a breeze to install and remove, perfect for quick assistance on the road. This set is available for about $90. No more waiting for your car to warm up. This handy heater plugs into your 12-volt cigarette socket and defrosts your windshield in no time. At just $20, it's a budget-friendly solution. Although don't expect it to blast like a full-on heater. Cleaning those tricky spots in your car has never been easier with cleaning gel. It's safe, effective, and gets into those hard-to-reach areas, tackling dirt, dust, and debris like a champ. Just remember, don't wash it with water or it'll lose its magic. This incredible gel is around $8. Struggling to park in a tiny garage? The Park Right parking mat is here to save the day. It helps you park safely with anti-skid tape, ensuring it stays put, and reflective tape for easy visibility. Say goodbye to worries about wall scratches starting at just $20. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.